I'm Charles with Concept Roofing and Gutters. Is your roof tired or just old? Look no further than Concept Roofing and Gutters in Athens. Proudly a GAF Master Elite roofer, we offer unmatched quality and reliability. Our roofs come with a solid 25-year warranty, ensuring your investment stands the test of time. Also, a 50-year material warranty. We build roofs to last, period. That's our promise to you. Whether it's rain, shine, or even the occasional snow, your home will be protected. With years of expertise and a commitment to excellence, we've got you covered. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Call Concept Roofing and Gutters today. Your home deserves it. Dial 706-612-4386 now.